Good morning students, welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Today I am going to teach you the remaining question of exercise 7b of the topic linear equation in one variable. So let us discuss question number 1. The total cost of 3 tables and 2 chairs is 1850. If a table costs 75 rupees more than a chair, find the price of each. Let the price of a chair is equal to X rupees. Is it clear? Next, the price of a table. In question, if a table costs 75 rupees more than a chair, means X plus 75 rupees. Is it clear? According to question, the total cost of 3 tables. The total number of tables 3. One table cost is X plus 75 rupees. Okay. Plus. And 2 chairs. One chair cost is X rupees. The 2 chair 2 into X. Completely total cost given 1850. So first we remove bracket here, 3x plus 75 into 3. 5 3 is 15, carry 1, 7 3 is 21 plus 1, 22 plus 2x is equal to 1850. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 1850 minus 225. 5x is equal to, we subtract 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 2, 6, 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1625 upon 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. Hence, the price of a chair is equal to, X means 325 rupees, and next the price of a table is equal to 325 plus 75. We get 400. So lastly, we find the price of chair is equal to 325 and the price of a table 400. This is your required answer. Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, two supplementary angles differ by 44 degrees. Find the angles. Let first angle is equal to X. The second angle is equal to, we know that the two angles are called supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degree. The first angle in supplementary angles is X. The second angle, write 180 minus X. Same case in the case of complementary, the 90 minus X. According to question, two supplementary angles differ, means difference. First angle X, difference V is the minus sign. Second angle is 180 minus X by 44 degree. right? remove bracket, x minus 180 degree minus minus plus x is equal to 44 degree. X plus x 2x is equal to 44 degree plus 180 degree. Next step, we get x is equal to 4 plus 0 4 8 4 plus 8 12 carry 1 1 plus 1 2 upon 2. We get 1 1 2 degree. So hence first angle means x is equal to 112 degree, and second angle is equal to 180 degree minus 112 is equal to 10 minus 2 8 7 minus 1 6 1 minus 1 0. So lastly we find angles will be 112 degree and 68 degree. Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal and the vertex angle is twice of each base angle. Find the measures of the angles of the triangle. The first we draw figure. Isosceles triangles. So we draw isosceles triangle ABC. Here B and C are basis angles. Here B and C are base angles. Both these are equals, means x ax. According to question, the vertex angle, here vertex angle is A, is twice of each base angle, means 2x. Find the angles of a triangle. The first we let the base angle is equal to x, means x degree. So the vertex angle is equal to is twice of each base angle, means 2x. According to question, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal, means two angles are equal, B and C, or A is equal to 2x. So we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means here angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Here angle A is equal to 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus x is equal to 4x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree upon 4. 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, means 45 degree. So find the measures of the angles of a triangle. The hence required angles is equal to 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. Is it clear? There are three angles of a triangle, here 45, 45 and 90 degree. Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, how much pure alcohol must be added to 400 milliliter of 15% solution to make its strength 32%? How much pure alcohol must be added? So first we let required quantity of pure alcohol 2 added is equal to x, is equal to x milliliter. First we let required quantity of pure alcohol to added in solution is equal to x milliliter. Any doubt? No. First we find quantity of alcohol in 400 ml is equal to 400 गुने 15%. So here write 15%. We get 400 into 15% means 15 by 100. We get 60 ml. Quantity of alcohol in 400 ml 60 ml. Now according to question, how much pure alcohol must be added to 400 ml of a 15% solution to make? So here quantity of alcohol 60. We added alcohol X. The complete strength changes means complete solution 400 ml plus X. To get a strength 32%. Here write 32. By cross multiplication 60 plus X. 32%. 60 plus x 400 plus x is equal to 32 upon 100. We remove where percentage, the right in denominator 100. By cross multiplication 100 into 60 plus x. 100 into 60 plus x is equal to 32 into 400 plus x. 100 into 60, 6000 plus 100x. 32 into 400. The 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, put double 0 plus 32x. Is it clear? Now this equation right here. (6,000) plus 100x. So by transposition write 100x here minus 32x is equal to 12,800 minus 6,000. Is it clear? 100 minus 32 we get 68x is equal to, here subtract 6800. Therefore x is equal to 6800 upon 68. 100 times, so we lastly we get x is equal to 100. Hence required pure alcohol to added be 100 ml. This is your required answer. Now let us discuss question number 5. This question, for example, in question number 5, same concept as a question number 4. Here repeat concept of question number 4. 50 kg of an alloy of lead and tin contains 60% of lead. How much lead must be melted into it to make the alloy contain 75% of lead? The first we let required quantity of lead to added be x kilogram. Is it clear? and first we then find out quantity of lead in 50 kg of alloy. So here find 50 kg percentage contains 60% of lead. So 50 kg of 60%, here 50 into 60, remove the percentage, write 100, cancel out, we get 30 kg. Is it clear? Now according to question, here quantity of lead in 50 kg of phenol 30, we added x, completely growth, here complete solution is 50 kg plus x, we get the alloy contains 75% of lead is equal to 75%. 30 plus x upon 50 plus x is equal to 75 upon 100. Here remove the percentage. Now next write here by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication here write 30 plus x into 100, 75 into 50 plus x. Is it clear? Next step, we remove the bracket. 100 into 30, 3000 plus 100x, 75 into 50, 3750 plus 75x. 100 by transposition, 100x minus 75x is equal to 3750 minus 3000. Subtract 25x is equal to 750. The x is equal to 750 upon 25. 25 3 is 75, put 0 is equal to 30. Hence required quantity of lead to added be 30 kilogram. 30 kilogram. I hope you will complete the exercise 7B with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.